Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is your trusted corner for simple health tips, life hacks, and senior-friendly wisdom. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Please take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you never miss our weekly videos made just for you. Today, we're talking about something that might surprise you. Foods that should never go in the refrigerator. Yes, you heard me right. Many of us, out of habit, put almost everything into the fridge. But the truth is, refrigerating certain foods can cause them to lose important nutrition, develop harmful changes, or even upset our digestion. And for seniors who need every bit of health support, this is something we must take seriously. So, let's take our time and go through 9 everyday foods you should never refrigerate, and why it really matters for your health. Number 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants like lycopene, which support your heart, your skin, and even your eyes. But when you refrigerate tomatoes, the cold damages these nutrients and slows down their natural process of ripening. That means you lose many of the health benefits you thought you were getting. For seniors, keeping tomatoes at room temperature is the best way to protect their nutrition and enjoy their heart-boosting benefits. Quick tip. Keep them in a bowl on your kitchen counter, away from direct sunlight. If they start to over-ripen, you can easily turn them into soup or sauce instead of wasting them. Number 2. Potatoes. This is more serious than most people realize. When you put potatoes in the fridge, the starch inside them turns into sugar. Later, when you cook those potatoes, that sugar can form a chemical called acrylamide. And acrylamide has been linked to health problems, including risks to the nerves and even certain cancers. Seniors should avoid this completely. The safe way is to store potatoes in a cool, dark, and dry place like a pantry or paper bag. That way, they stay nutritious and safe for you to eat. And one more tip. Avoid storing them with onions, because the gases from onions can make potatoes spoil faster. Number 3. Onions. Onions are powerful for your health. They fight inflammation, support your heart, and strengthen your immune system. But in the refrigerator, moisture builds up, and that moisture makes onions soft, moldy, and bacteria-prone. Eating spoiled onions can lead to stomach upset or food poisoning, which is harder for seniors to recover from. Keep onions in a basket or mesh bag at room temperature, and they'll stay firm and healthy. Remember, once you cut an onion, you can refrigerate it in a sealed container, but never put whole onions in the fridge. Storage idea. Keep onions in a breathable bag in your pantry, and they'll last weeks longer. If you're finding this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a simple way of saying thank you, and it helps my channel reach more seniors who need these reminders too. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic has been called nature's medicine. It lowers blood pressure, helps cholesterol, and strengthens the immune system. But if you refrigerate garlic, it sprouts quickly. Those green shoots taste bitter and show that the garlic has lost much of its healing power. For seniors who use garlic to protect their health, this means you're not getting the full benefit. Keep garlic bulbs in a dry basket or bowl on the counter. That way, every clove stays powerful and medicinal. Bonus tip. If you notice sprouted garlic, don't worry, it's not harmful, but it does lose flavor. Use it in soups or stews instead of raw dishes. Number 5. Bread. Bread is a favorite in almost every household. But refrigerating bread makes it dry, and even worse, it encourages mold once you take it out. And mold is dangerous, especially for seniors with weaker immune systems or breathing problems. A better solution is simple. Keep a small amount of bread at room temperature for your daily use. Then freeze the rest. Frozen bread can last for weeks and stay safe. Just warm or toast it whenever you need it. Tip. Slice the loaf before freezing so you can pull out just what you need without thawing the whole thing. Number 6. Honey. Honey is one of nature's best healers. It soothes coughs and sore throats, helps wounds heal, and fights bacteria. But when you put honey in the fridge, it crystallizes and becomes grainy. The cold also reduces some of its healing enzymes. For seniors who may rely on honey as a gentle home remedy, this means you're losing part of its natural power. Honey lasts for years at room temperature, as long as it's sealed in a jar. Pro tip: if your honey has already crystallized, don't throw it away. Place the jar in warm water for a few minutes, and it will turn smooth again. Number 7. Coffee. Many people think storing coffee in the fridge keeps it fresh. But coffee actually absorbs moisture and odors in the fridge, and that moisture can encourage mold growth. Drinking coffee with hidden mold toxins can cause headaches, fatigue, and stomach upset. For seniors, these effects can be even more harmful. Always store coffee beans or grounds in a sealed, dry container in a dark cupboard. This way, your coffee stays safe and aromatic. Bonus tip: if you really love fresh flavor, buy smaller amounts of coffee more often instead of stocking up too much. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best foods for your heart and brain. It's full of healthy fats and antioxidants, but the fridge is the worst place for it. Cold temperatures make it solidify and break down its protective compounds. Instead, keep olive oil sealed in a cool, dark cupboard. That way, it continues to support your heart, your joints, and your overall health. Quick check: if your olive oil smells rancid or tastes sharp, it has gone bad. Always replace it for the best health benefits. Before we move on to the last item, let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. By subscribing, you'll always have access to senior-focused health tips that can make your life easier and healthier. Number 9. Bananas. Bananas are a wonderful fruit for seniors. They're rich in potassium, which protects the heart, and fiber, which supports digestion. But refrigeration interferes with their ripening and lowers their nutritional quality. For seniors who need steady energy and good digestion, this is a problem. The best way is to keep bananas on the counter until they ripen naturally. Then enjoy them fresh or freeze them for smoothies. Extra tip: if you have too many ripe bananas, peel and freeze them in a zip bag. They're perfect for quick banana bread or healthy shakes later. Closing. So, my friends, there you have it. 9 everyday foods you should never refrigerate if you want to protect your nutrition and your health. Tomatoes, potatoes, onions, garlic, bread, honey, coffee, olive oil, and bananas. By storing them properly, you keep their nutrients alive, avoid harmful compounds, and keep yourself healthier. And remember, at our age, food isn't just fuel, it's medicine. And how we store it is just as important as what we eat. If this video was helpful, please share it with someone you care about. Maybe a neighbor, a friend, or even your children. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we can continue learning and staying healthy together. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.